Hi, my name's Joey Papa. I'm a coffee consultant, and today we're going to learn how to make coffee punch. Coffee punch is a great alternative to a traditional punch. Obviously, it has caffeine, and most people like the taste of coffee. Making coffee punch is actually pretty simple. What you're going to want to do first is brew up double strength coffee. By double strength, I mean if you're making it in a normal drip coffee pot and you're used to putting in 1 scoop for every 2 cups, you're going to put in 2 scoops for every 2 cups. So basically, you're making a concentrated coffee. Once you have that, you're going to gather your other ingredients for the recipe. You're going to need milk. I recommend using whole milk because it's a lot creamier, vanilla ice cream, and maple syrup. These ingredients together will help you create your coffee punch recipe. Okay, now we're ready to actually make the coffee punch. What you're going to do first is use an entire container of vanilla ice cream, put that in your punch bowl. Then you're going to add your double strength coffee. This is to help the ice cream to melt as well as to cool off the coffee. Then you're going to add 1 cup of milk and 1/2 cup of maple syrup. Once you have all the ingredients in there, you're going to stir it around and then add ice cubes. Put your punch bowl spoon in and you're ready to go. So once you're all done stirring, you can then serve up your coffee punch. And don't worry, there probably will be some ice cream left floating around in your punch, which is perfectly fine because it helps to keep the punch cold. Once you're done, you can then serve it up, take a sip, and enjoy. Again, my name is Joey Papa. I'm a coffee consultant, and today we learned how to make a coffee punch recipe.